What's up, everyone? Today we got a special package from our friends at Arbortech. As you can see, we're really excited to open it.
Getting new tools is always exciting, but these are extra special. Arbortech continues to raise the bar and offer unique tools that enhance our potential as power carvers.
Inside, we find Arbortech's two newest products, the Turbo Scraper and SpheroPlane. Try saying that 3 times. I was really surprised as I opened the SpheroPlane hard case. It's a wild looking tool and I can't wait to use it. It makes concave shapes like the inside and outsides of bowls, and we can even make perfectly round spheres with it.
Both of these tools attach right to Arbortech's power carving unit and any 4.5 or 5-inch grinders. The Turbo Scraper is a new addition to their carving disc lineup. Its odd look is really intriguing, and it's designed to give more visibility to your work area. The new hook and loop sanding attachment is a welcome advancement, and the fact that we can finish sand with locked-in settings on the SpheroPlane should be really beneficial. The sanding attachment can also be used with Arbortech's other products like the contour sander and the mini turbo kit.
Thanks again to Arbortech for giving us the opportunity to put these unique tools to work. Stay tuned for more videos showcasing how we incorporate the Turbo Scraper and SpheroPlane into some Crafty family projects. Thanks for watching.